trying to see what's inside a MacBook keyboard, so let's go. I hope none of the crap goes on me.
Oh, you're bleeding.
Okay, yo guys, what's up? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. But you know those destroying my laptop simply just for the fun of it, or for views? Yeah, well, I thought, why not give it a go? But obviously I'm not that rich enough to be doing those pricey Apple Macs laptops and stuff like that. But I do have an Apple keyboard. It's not actually mine. Big up my bro Mr. 80 for it. Go check out his channel, go sub, and you know, tell him to come back to YouTube and stuff. Yeah, you get me. Okay, I'm gonna stop waffling. But yeah, so yeah, and I've actually really wanted to know what exactly is inside it. So you know what, I thought, why not give that a go? This is something new, and if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to go and smash a like. Obviously subscribe if you're new, support your boy, and yeah, let's just cut to the video. Oh yeah, and this was about 2 months ago, so you know, my hair and stuff is different, and yeah, don't judge me. But yeah, let's get right into the video. Yeah.
Yo, so now I'm at my bro's house and we got a MacBook keyboard here that doesn't work. So obviously if it doesn't work, what are we gonna do?
Smash it.
We're gonna smash this up. Alright, so we could do this, we can drop it, anything. So I'm gonna do about like half of it, then my boy's gonna do half of it. So yeah,
your boy.
Let's get it, bro.
I like the internet. Do you guys think it will still work?
Someone right there.
Do you guys think it will still work?
Yo, you dent this, bro. Look at that.
It looks so perfect. I'll leave this half for you.
Alright.
I'm gonna destroy this half.
Look at the pieces drop. Oh crap.
I think it still works, guys.
Hey, that's a Fed.
That's not a Fed, bro. That's the ticket, man.
Oh.
Guys, look. Do you guys think it still works? I think it still works. Let's just try and see if it still works.
It still works, guys. It still works. Let's
3, 2, 1. Oh, you look at the pieces drop, bro. Look at the guy right there. The guy's looking.
I don't give a fuck. Been living here for 13 years, man. I know everyone.
Wow. Okay.
It's your turn now.
I think it's my go now, yeah.
Wow, look, you guys know them expensive the keyboards, them bendy keyboards.
Yeah.
Apple bendy keyboard, you know, we should put this on sale. You know, if you guys need it, go on to apple.com and you guys will find it.
Okay, so now it's the next day of breaking the keyboard,
and what we're gonna do is,
this is how it is at the moment.
See, we still left this half nice and fresh,
and now it's time to see if it still works. Let's plug it on.
Okay.
If it still works, then that's mad.
Okay, nothing's working.
Okay, it doesn't seem like it's working still.
Okay, I don't think this thing works. Oh, something came up.
Oi!
Oh.
if you just basically smash it.
Who is this? What the heck?
He's basically just smashing it.
Yeah.
And it typed. See?
Wow.
So it basically still kind of works.
So now what we're gonna do, guys, as you guys can see, there's this one crackhead lady. It's crackhead. She's starting to dance and all that. Your camera is. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. So your boy is gonna. He's gonna fix it. He's Bob the Builder.
There's basically still kind of half of it inside, and to be honest, I'm trying to see what's inside a MacBook keyboard. So let's go. I hope none of the crap goes on me.
Oh, you're bleeding.
I did that. I hit myself.
Do you wanna continue?
Yeah. I'm gonna do this side. Yeah.
Make sure you just don't whack the camera. I don't think you're ready. You broke it. Look what you done.
Crap.
You broke it, bro. Now you're gonna have to pay for that. That's my house, you know.
Yeah, I'm done. Nah. Look at my hands, bruh.
Okay, your boy's gonna finish it off. You know?
Yo, this actually hurts.
Look.
You see a piece just drop. Look at the pieces just drop.
Fashion.
Hey,
It's open,
this is what's inside a MacBook keyboard.
Whoa, guys, it's so sticky.
Oi,
Sticky.
it's sticky.
Now you guys have the MacBook Flip keyboard. Hey. If you guys go on apple.com and search it up, it will come. Trust me. You know, you want this product, it will be there. Should we test if it works now? If it still works? Let's hit it a little bit. I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, wait.
Let's give it a little bit. That's money just wasted right there. So guys, let's go. Oh, you fixed it.
Hey,
Whatever.
it's been fixed. Alright, so we'll be right back. Alright.
Guys, we're gonna try it, see if it works. You know what I'm saying? Like, response,
Made the
Oh
sound.
crap! It's typing.
Hey.
You can actually type.
It's
Look.
it's typing now. Say
actually kidding
mums. I promised before it was broken and it didn't work, but now after smashing it, it's working. What
Guys, let's finish the
the hell? What the flip?
Guys, let's finish it off, yeah? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it like this, and a little bit like this, and we're gonna hit it a little bit like that,
Look at
and then
everything just drop, bro. Look at the keyboard just drop. Oi!
new fashion.
Look at
wow!
this.
Oh, it actually looks better like this. Look, this is I'm gonna tell this to Apple.
Yep.
Apple,
And those people are not judging us.
cause they don't care, bro. What they gonna do? Cause I'll chuck this at their head. Actually, keyboard actually looks better like this.
Yeah, it does still.
Okay, which one did you get? Do you guys prefer this cage, this roll cage thing, you know, on it, covering the beauty? And let's just say bye-bye to this. Okay, guys. Wow, it actually looks better like this. Look. Whoa, man. So cool, man. That's so cool, man. Okay, guys, let's finish it off. We're we're gonna do is stick this right here.
This proves that this is sticky. Look, it's actually just sticking onto the wall.
As you guys can see, this is not durable enough. So Apple, you've done a really bad job on making your keyboards. You know, it's supposed to last long, isn't it? You know, you got that warranty thing. I think that's what a warranty is used for, but you know what I'm saying? So like, so that, like,
Oh!
look at this. I just bought it. Like, I need a refund. I'm gonna take this to Apple now. Apple, you've really disappointed me. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. We don't need that anymore.
Bye. 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 Goodbye. Keybag number 4. You served us well.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Blah, 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 blah.